Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome. I welcome you all to this lecture in the course Sandhi in Paninian Grammar. In this lecture we continue studying the Hal Sandhi or the consonant Sandhi. Hal is a consonant and Hal Sandhi is the Sandhi that replaces the consonant. We classified Hal Sandhi broadly into two: Ekasthanika Ekadesha and Ekasthanika Dvyadesha. Ekasthanika Ekadesha is one substituent replaced by one substitute, and Ekasthanika Dvyadesha is one substituent replaced by two substitutes. Ekasthanika Ekadesha is further classified into two: Purvanimittaka Ekasthanika Ekadesha and Paranimittaka Ekasthanika Ekadesha. Currently we are dealing with Paranimittaka Ekasthanika Ekadesha mainly, and this can be described in the form of a diagram where we have A plus B in the Samhita mode, where B is the Paranimitta, A is Purva, and in the environment of B, A is substituted by C. So this is Paranimittaka Eka Sthanika Ekadesha. This is Paranimitta, this is Ekasthani, this is Eka Adesha. So A plus B is the input and C plus B is the output. The next Sandhi that we are studying after we studied the Shchutva Sandhi is Shtutva Sandhi. This is stated by the Sutra Shtuna Shtuhu 8.4.41. The Sutra Shtunashtuhu consists of two padas, Shtuna and Shtuhu. Shtuna is instrumental singular of Shtu. Shtu consists of Sh and Tu. Tu means Tavarga. Tavarga stands for the five consonants Tatha, Dadha, Na. So Shtuna means in association with or in combination of Sh and Tu, that is Tavarga, that is Tatha, Dadha, Na. Shtuhu is 1/1 of Shtu, which is of course once again composed of Sh and Tu. So Shtuhu means the substitute Shtu. Stoho is the word that is continued from 8.4.40, Stoho Shchunashchuhu. Stoho is 6/1 of Stu, and Stu is composed of Sa and Tu. Tu means Tavarga and Tavarga means Tatha, Dadha, Na. So Stoho means in place of Stu. Having put all these together, the meaning of Shtunashtuhu is the following: in the close proximity of sounds, in the combination of Sh and Tu, In place of stu, substitute sh and tu. I repeat, in the close proximity of sounds, Samhitayam, in the combination of sh and tu, shtuna, shtu is composed of sh and tu. Tu means tavarga, tavarga means tathadadhana. In place of stu, stu is composed of sa and tu. Tu means tavarga, tavarga means tathadadhana. Substitute sh and tu. Tavarga, that is tathadadhana. So, in the close proximity of sounds, Samhitayam, in the combination of sh and tu, shtuna, in place of stu, stoho, substitute sh and tu, shtuhu. This is the meaning of shtunashtuhu, the sutra stating the shtutva sandhi. We note that the principle of yathasankhya or correspondence also functions in this particular sutra, just as it operated in the previous sutra stoho shtuna shchuhu. What we mean to say is that there is yathasankhya relation that exists between sthani or karyi and adesha or karya. So, sthani and adesha or karyi and karya, amongst these pairs yathasankhya exists. We also note that also in this particular sutra there is nimitta of similar numbers, but there is no yathasankhya between the nimitta and the sthani, as well as nimitta and the adesha. Nimitta and sthani or karyi and nimitta and adesha or karya, they do not share this yathasankhya relationship. So, yathasankhya relationship can be shown in the form of an equation in this manner. So, if we have shtu followed by sa in the samhita mode, then this sa will be replaced by the consonant sh in the left hand side environment of shtu. Similarly, if we have shtu plus na occurs at the fifth position in the tavarga, and so this na will be replaced by the fifth consonant in the set of the adesha, namely ana. This is how yathasankhya principle will work. Now, if we have paranimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha, this was the case where the nimitta was purva. So, purva nimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha. Now, in this case where you have the nimitta para, and this paranimitta is causing the substitution sa, then the substitute that comes in place of this sa is sh. Similarly, if you have ta plus shtu, then since ta occurs at the first position in the tavarga, this ta will get substituted by the first member that occurs in the tavarga, that is ta. So, ta plus shtu will be the input and ta plus shtu will be the template output. Then we have the plus shtu, and similarly, because the occupies the third position in the tavarga, so this the will be substituted by the third consonant d in the tavarga. This is how the yathasankhya principle will work. The nimitta and the sthani or karyi, they do not have any yathasankhya relation. Now let us also take a closer look at the peculiar mention of the word shtuna. Shtuna is a very peculiar usage because this is instrumental singular, that is stated by Panini, and this case indicates the environment for the substitution to take place. But this third case neither indicates only the left hand side environment nor only the right hand side environment. This was what was done by the fifth case and the seventh case. The third case, Tritiya, indicates both left hand side as well as right hand side environments for the substitution to take place. That is why this is peculiar. So, shtu will be both left hand side as well as right hand side environment for shtutva sandhi to take place. So, we can have shtu plus stu as the input, where shtu acts as the left hand side environment or purva nimitta, but then this stu will still be substituted by shtu and the output will be shtu plus shtu. This is called purva nimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha, and when we have stu plus shtu, where shtu is the nimitta but this is paranimitta now, even in this case stu will be substituted by shtu. This is called paranimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha. Here are the template examples. So, if you have sh plus sa as the input and the nimittas are all purvas, purva nimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha. So, we have sh plus sa and the generated output would be sh plus sh. Similarly, sh plus ta and the output would be sh plus ta. Remember, the nimitta and the sthani or the karyi, there is no yathasankhya nyaya. But between the sthani and the adesha, between the karyi and the karya, there is yathasankhya. So, ta gets substituted only by ta and nothing else. Tha with tha, da with da, dha with dha and na with na. Then when we look at the paranimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha, we have sa plus sh and this will be substituted by sh plus sh. Sa plus ta will be the input and the output generated will be sh plus ta. Sa plus tha will be the input and the output would be sh plus tha. Similarly, sa plus da as input and the output would be sh plus da. Sa plus dha will be the input and the output will be sh plus dha, and sa plus na will be the input and the output would be sh plus na. Then we have tatha dadhana plus sh, tavarga plus sh, tu plus sh, and the output would be tatha dadhana plus sh, that is tavarga plus sh, that is tu plus sh. Similarly, tatha dadhana plus ta, tu plus ta, and the output generated would be tatha dadhana plus ta, that is tavarga plus ta, that is tu plus ta. Then we have tatha dadhana plus tha and the output would be tatha dadhana plus tha. Then we have tatha dadhana plus da and the output generated is tatha dadhana plus da. Then tatha dadhana plus dha and the output would be tatha dadhana plus dha. And finally, we have tatha dadhana plus na as the input and the output is tatha dadhana plus na. Let us first study the Purva Nimittaka Ekasthanika Ekadesha, where we have sh followed by s, and the template output is sh plus sh. Sh is substituting s. However, we must note that this output does not result due to the application of other rules stated earlier in the Asiddha section of Paninian grammar. So, Sutra 8241 Shadhokasi states that substitute k comes in place of sh in the environment of s. This is obligatory, always this happens, where k comes in place of sh. So, if we have an example disha plus sya plus ti, which is the future tense, disha plus sya plus ti, this sh, then we have desha plus sya plus ti, and then this sh will be substituted by sh. So, we have desh sya ti. Now, we have sh followed by s. In this case, this sh will be immediately substituted by k. So, we have dek sya ti, then this s will be substituted by sh, and we have dek shya ti, and when we join them together we will get the form dekshyati. So, sh plus s has got no desired output, template output, as is shown on this particular slide's title. Next we move to sh plus t, and the output is sh plus t. So, we have the example dusha plus t, where sh is immediately followed by t. Since this is within a pada, the samhita is obligatory. So, this sh is the nimitta and t consonant is the karyi or sthani, and this t is substituted by t. So, we have dush plus t and dushta. Similarly, dush plus tavya. Once again we have dosh plus tavya, and then this t is substituted by t. So, we have doshtavya. Then we have sh plus th, and th being substituted by th. So, the famous word shashtha is derived by adding the suffix a after the word shash, and then once you add a, Paninian grammar adds the augment th to this a. So, we have shash plus th and a. Now, this th is substituted by th. So, the output generated by the sutra is shash plus th plus a, and so we will get shash th. Shat kati katipaya chaturam thuk. This is the sutra that states the agama th. Then we go to the next example, sh plus the, sh followed by the, which is the input, and 8441 applies, and the output generated is sh plus d. So, we have the example where we have mush plus danda. This is a compound. So, samhita is obligatory. So, this sh follows this d, and so in place of this d now we will have to substitute the third consonant of the t varga, which is d. But first we will have sh being substituted by d, and this will be triggered by the sutra jhalam jashonte, which we have already studied before. So, we will have the next step mud plus danda, and then this d will trigger the sutra 8441, because of which the will be substituted by d and we will get the form mud danda. Then we have sh. followed by dh, and the output is sh followed by dh. However, this sh gets substituted by d. So we have mush followed by dhana, and then this sh will be first substituted by d, mud plus dhana, and then 8441 applies and substitutes dh by dh, and so we'll have mud plus dhana. The output would be muddhana. Then we have sh plus na, and na is substituted by na. So we have yushan plus as, and the next step is deletion of a after sh over here. So we have yush, na and as, and then this na comes in the samhita mode with sh, and so na gets substituted by na, and so we have yushnas, yushnah. Actually, in this environment, sh plus na, 841 will apply first, rashabhyam nonah samanapade, and will generate the same result, that is na will be substituted by na. So we can say that 8441 is redundant in this particular case. Now, after having looked at the purvanimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha, let us look at the paranimittaka ekasthanika ekadesha. So we have s plus sh as the input, and the output is sh plus sh. So we have haris plus shashtaha. Here s appears at the end of a pada, and so this sandhi is in between two padas as part of the sentential combination. So we have haris plus shashtaha, and the output generated would be harish and shashtaha. So when we join them together, we get harish shashtaha. Similarly, you have manas plus shakara as a part of a compound, and so sa will be substituted by sh, and you will get manas shakara. Then we have sa followed by t as the input, and the output is sh followed by t. So we have hares tika. Here the sandhi happens in between two padas. This is part of the sentence. So we have hares plus tika, and the output generated is haresh tika, where sh substitutes sa. So we have haresh tika. There is a sutra written by Panini, charesh taha. So here we have chares followed by tah, where sa is followed by t, and so we have this sa being substituted by sh. So we have charesh and tah. So charesh taha. Similarly, manas plus taker, and this sa will be substituted by sh by the application of 8441. So we have manash plus taker, manash taker. Then we have sa plus th as input, 8441 applies, and the output generated is sh plus th. So we have payas plus thak as the input, and this will be substituted by sh, and so we have payash plus thak. Payash thak will be the output. Similarly, we have sa plus d as the input, and the output generated is sh plus d. So we have hares and dapaha, and the output generated is haresh and dapaha. So haresh dapaha, this will be the output. Then sa plus dh as the input and sh plus dh as the output. So we have haris plus dhaukate. This is the example between the two words that is part of the sentence. So we have haris plus dhaukate, and 8441 applies, and now this will be substituted by sh, and so we will get Harish Dhaukate as the output. Harish Dhaukate. This is the output. And finally we have Sa followed by Na, and in this environment 8441 applies and substitutes Sa by Sh. So we have Sh plus Na as the output. So we have Hares plus Nakaraha. Once again this is the example of the sandhi that takes between two padas as part of the sentential combination. So we have Hares plus Nakaraha, and the output generated by the application of 8441 is Haresh and Nakaraha. So we have Haresh Nakaraha. To summarize, we studied the second type of part of sandhi, namely Shtutva sandhi. We studied the sutra that states this Shtutva sandhi, namely Shtunashtuhu. We also understood the literal meaning of the sutra. We also explained the meaning of the third vibhakti, third case, Tritiya vibhakti. And then we studied Paranimittaka Ekadesha, Ekasthanika Ekadesha mainly. We noted down the template examples and studied the specific examples as well. We also studied the Purva Nimittaka Ekasthanika Ekadesha. And we noted that these specific examples showed that the sandhi happens at different levels, be it in between two padas, external sandhi, or be it in between the pada, internal sandhi. We also noted that in cases of some inputs, the combination outputs are not possible. There the rule enjoys redundancy. Now we study next the remaining examples of Shtutva sandhi in the next lecture. Thank you for your attention.